Hello, and welcome to another episode of Gunpla Builds. And this is another long-awaited one. Today is the unboxing of the YMS-07B-0 Prototype Gouf (Tactical Demonstrator) Principality of Zeon Prototype Mobile Suit from Mobile Suit Gundam The Origin, MSD Mobile Suit Discovery. I love me some Gouf, man. I really do. So there's the main part of the box. Here's the front of the box. Mr. Rambarao. Some stuff about Mobile Suit Discovery there. Other side just has some more action poses. And I did get this from USA Gundam Store. Not sponsored, but just saying. I like USA Gundam Store. Anyway, on to the runners. But of course, we have to start with the stickers. This is the main decal sheet. This is the one foil sticker just for the eyes. Now to the runners. Here is the polycaps. This is runner A2 in that nice blue. Yes, I know, I'm done making jokes. A1. I do like this blue though, like a lot. I like this shade of blue. B1. But honestly, not as much as this shade of blue. Nice, dark blue. I thought it was black, given the box. C1, which is all the hosing. C2, which is this orange part that I think is used for the cockpit. I don't know though. Here's D2. Here's D1. Here is E. And there's no F runner, we go straight to G. Okay, I promise I'm done making jokes. To the manual. And here we are at the manual, your typical manual for a high-grade Origin suit. But yes, here's all the stuff from the box. Mobile Suit Gundam The Origin, Mobile Suit Discovery, YMS-07-B-0, Prototype Gouf Tactical Demonstrator, Principality of Zeon Prototype Mobile Suit. They really love their names. Anyway, open. So some action poses. Ramp around down there. This is like the last part of the manual because we all know high grades in their opening manual. Yeah, looks all pretty simple here. Just a nice pan like so. It's a high grade, I mean, it's not gonna be that difficult. So, yeah. And there's the back side. So that is going to do it for my unboxing of the Gundam The Origin Mobile Suit Discovery Gouf Prototype. Because I'm not saying all that again. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.